Hello everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to approach the upcoming Bihar Mains 2020 examination, what you should do and what you shouldn't. So the procedural law exam has to be attempted by everybody who is appearing for the mains will appear for this compulsory paper. The procedural law contains CRPC, CPC, Evidence, Arbitration, Conciliation Act, Provincial Small Cause and Court Act. Now, two important subjects from the procedural law paper are CPC and evidence. CPC contains a weightage of 60 marks and evidence has a weightage of 50 marks. And CRPC and evidence have the weightage of 20 marks each. So, the maximum marks for this compulsory paper is 150. Okay, 60 CPC, 50 evidence, 20 CRPC and evidence each. Okay. Now I have the questions from the previous year examination uh, for the Evidence Act. So we have the questions from the year 2018, 2017, 2011, 2006 and the year 2000. So whenever you are appearing for any examination, keep one thing in mind that you need to do at least last 10-year papers. uh, you need to practice last 10-year papers of the any exam, be it the preliminary exam or the mains exam or be it a judicial exam or the P6 exam. उससे होता ये है that you get an idea about how the questions might what kind of questions might be asked in the examination and what is the area of focus, area of interest of the examiner. Okay. So, for example, if we go through the previous questions of Bihar Judiciary Evidence Act, then we'll see that the area of focus of Bihar Public Service Commission is uh, the definition clause and the relevancy part from section 6 to 55. Okay, we'll see that they are focusing more on the concept. So they have asked questions from confession and admissions. They have asked questions from section 6, 11. They have asked questions, see, relevancy and admissibility. Now they have asked questions about the estoppel, conclusive proof, cross-examination, circumstantial evidences, and kinds of evidences is an important topic. Then doctrine of risk este is important. Okay. Now what else is important? Accomplice, confession and admission is very important. So anything which relates to it is important. Okay, like how far and to what extent the testimony of an accomplice can be relied upon. So they are focusing more on the concept. They need to know that you understand what you have read. Okay. Kinds of document, public and private document. Okay. Then cross examination is very important. You have to learn it by heart. Accomplice again. So you'll see that questions are repeated from kinds of evidences. They've asked questions from estoppel. Okay, so these are the area of focus for the Bihar judiciary examination which you need to learn. Okay. So this is the kind of approach which you are going to use while preparing for the other subjects. Like in case of CPC, you will go through the previous 10 year questions and you'll try to understand what are the area of focus, and based on your analysis, you will prepare those topics which don't wait for the these are the key to be released. Okay, and most of the questions don't wait for the results. Okay, if you are scoring somewhere near 150 or more than that, now then start preparing for mains, because even if god forbid you're not qualifying for means, then again you are preparing. Okay, and you're learning, and you whatever you learn in this period, it might help you in other exams. Okay. Also, this is my honest suggestion that the time that you are getting now for the mains examination, you try to go for self study. Whatever you have learned by so far, try to concentrate on that and do not join any crash course or anything like that. Since this is a very crucial time, and you should invest it on revising the facts that you have already learned, revising the things that you have already, have gone through once. And this is not the time for learning new things. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video might help you for your means preparation in any manner whatsoever. And thank you for watching.